Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to do a poem If I Were a Giant. So Jackie Huskin has written this poem. She is a children's poet born in Nigeria, and If I Were a Giant was her first poem. So this poem was published in 2005 in a school magazine. So before starting, let's know that what जाइंट मीन्स. तो जाइंट का मतलब होगा एक विशाल आदमी, एक लंबा चौड़ा आदमी. एंड इफ़ आई वेयर अ जाइंट का मतलब होगा काश मैं एक जाइंट होती, काश मैं बहुत बड़ी होती या बहुत बड़ा होता. सो दिस पोएम इज़ टोटली एन इमेजिनेशन. यहाँ पे जो पोएट हैं वो सोच रही हैं कि अगर मैं एक जाइंट होती, अगर मैं बहुत बड़ी होती, बहुत विशाल होती तो मैं क्या करती. So this poem is totally an imagination and it's very interesting. Let's enjoy this. If I were a giant, I wonder if I could stand on my tiptoes and paint the sky. So in this line, the poet is saying कि अगर मैं बहुत बड़ी होती, मैं विशाल होती, तो मैं अपने टिपटोज पर खड़े होकर पूरे के पूरे स्काई को पेंट कर देती. I would fashion paint brushes from the branches of the tree and paint all the clouds as they float on the breeze. And now, the poet is imagining that if she were a giant, she would have made the paintbrushes with the branches of the tree, and with the help of that paintbrushes, she would have painted all the clouds which were floating on the breeze. I would wake up quite early when morning was new and paint all the daisies with pollen and dew. The poet is saying that she will wake up very early in morning and she will paint the daisies with pollen and dew. It's a flower. Daisy is a flower and dews का मतलब है ओस. So dews we can see in early morning on flowers and grasses. So see, you can see dews drops on yellow daisies. I would blend all the colors from deserts so dry and mix up a sunrise to splash on the sky. Splash का मतलब होता है छप छप. When it rains ना तो बारिश में जो छप छप किया जाता है that is only splash. So she wants to mix all the colors from the dry deserts. Colors like we can imagine it's yellow, brown, golden color. And now she would blend, she would mix all the colors and mix up a sunrise to splash on the sky. मतलब जितने भी कलर्स है सबको मिक्स करके शी वॉन्ट्स टू स्प्लैश ऑन द स्काई. मतलब सभी कलर्स को मिक्स करके वो आसमान में छप छप करना चाहती हैं. See, next was she saying, I would stride to the mountain and gather the snow to paint snow white blossom where blossom should grow. So stride means a huge jump, a longer step. So like a giant, like a lamba chauda आदमी, she wants to take a huge jump. She wants to take a longer step and she could climb the mountain. And then वहाँ पर जितने भी snow हैं उन सबको इकट्ठा करना चाहती है. And after gathering all the snows, she would paint the snow white blossom. Again she's saying, I would dip my tree brush in the yellow corn and I would paint golden beaches by waving my hands. So, her next desire is she wants to dip her tree brush, her self-made brush, she wants to dip that in yellow corn and she wants to paint the golden beaches. वो अपने हाथों को घुमा घुमा करके beaches को paint करना चाहती है. I would grant autumn leaves, some pink ones, some red, and cover the sun as she set off to bed. Now she would grind all the autumn leaves in red and pink color, especially the colors I mentioned. So grind मतलब होता है पीसना. And then she would paint and cover the sun. So before going to sleep, she wanted to cover the sun with autumn leaves. So she is imagining that if I were a giant, I would grind the colors and cover the sun. I would hunt all the shadows that hide from the light and dip them in a pen ink and blacken the night. So see what she is saying कि जितने भी shadows हैं जो light से छुपी हुई हैं उन सबको मैं पकड़कर पेन के इंक में डिप कर दूंगी ताकि वो सब दिखे. So she is saying कि जितने भी shadows हैं ना जो लाइट से छुपे हुए हैं उन सबको मैं पकड़ लूँगी और उन सबको पेन के इंक में डिप कर दूँगी ताकि वो सब दिखे. I can dream I am a giant from the book on myself, but I know when I wake up nature's painted herself. सो इन लास्ट लाइन द पोएट इज सेइंग कि ये जो मेरे जाइंट बनने का जो आइडिया आया है ये मेरे सेल्फ पे जो बुक्स है ना वहाँ से आया है, बट आई नो when I wake up the nature's painted herself. अब वो कहती है कि जब मैं सोकर उठती हूँ तो मैं ये देखती हूँ कि नेचर ने खुद को ही पेंट कर लिया है. So as I told you very earlier that this is just an imagination. The poet जैकी हस्किन इज़ जस्ट इमेजिनिंग दैट अगर मैं बहुत विशाल होती, बहुत बड़ी होती तो मैं क्या करती. सो इट वॉज जस्ट एन इमेजिनेशन. आई होप यू लाइक द पोएम. प्लीज़ stay connected.